Ayun, mayong gabi. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. My name is Emerald Hoxon, and honestly, I presented myself tonight to do a testimony. So I wasn't picked. And for what reason? I have been longing. Sabi ko, I want to share my testimony on the stage. I already shared before, but sa mga nakarinig na ng testimony ko, may I see a hand? Yon, update po ito. Oh, sequel. So, ito po ang mga kaabang-abang na mga pangyayari sa pamilya. So, basically po, tama po yung sinabi ni Sir no, na for the love of my mom. Sino po yung may mga nanay pa dito? Buhay pa po. Congratulations po. Pa-stencilin niyo na ho, no? Yon, diba? So, hindi ko alam paano magsisimula, no? Na-stuck ako sa sinabi ni Ma'am kanina, parang gusto ko mag-OPP ulit. Hindi ko alam kung magpa-product presentation ako. Okay, isa na lang pong tanong, sino na po yung nakatry ng product? Ayun po. Lahat po yun na nag-raise ng hand, they have their own stories. And they have their own time to share it here. So dito po walang bayaran na nangyari, walang pilitan. Kaya po nga po sinabi sa inyo, I presented myself. So the case of my mom po, she's 20 years diabetic. She went through 2 years of insulin. And she's a product of supplementation. Can you say supplementation?
Supplementation.
Okay. So basically, with that said, supplementation has limits. Okay, may limits siya. Hindi niya kaya. No? Because my mom, being a product of supplementation, had to go through stroke, and then cancer, and then amputation. Okay, so why am I saying that? We are in the category of supplementation, tama?
Yes.
But Portier is not just your ordinary supplement. Kaya nga po may mga testimony ganito. So if I may share, sir, slide please. Okay?
Oh my.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry, no? Sino pong nag-dinner? Okay. So, this image po is what we had, pwede pa next, may isang picture po. Medyo nasagad kagad. Isa pa po. Okay, isa pa. Ay, okay, backtrack po. Okay? Isa na lang. Kasi medyo nahalo-halo po yung, nahalo-halo yung image. Isang slide pa, sir. Isa. Okay. This one. This is the initial. That's the first part. Which my mom was telling us, it was just a matter of, birthmark. Oh, birthmark. So, nung parang kumakapal, sabi ko, birthmark pa ba yan, ma? Parang hindi naman na ata birthmark yan. And then, pabalik, sir. And then, it became like that. So, hindi na ho birthmark, It's been there for 20 years. So, we decided to have it biopsy. Ito po yung cut for the biopsy. And the result po is invasive melanoma. Invasive melanoma is skin cancer. And as per biopsy, it was as thick as 9 mm. Now, if you go through deeper study of invasive melanoma is life-threatening. Because when it is invasive, it goes to your blood, yung mga metastasize, mga ganong terms, it goes to your blood, kumakalat. 6 weeks lang po ang tinatagal ng isang patient na mayroong invasive melanoma. Stage 2 po is 2 mm. And my mom is 9 mm. Now here's the deal. The birthmark that she was talking about has been there for 20 years.
Oh.
Which she was telling us it was a birthmark. Now how did it come to this? Okay, how did it come to this? On that verge na na-stroke ang mother ko, that was the time, December, I was shared ng product. And that's why I told you that my mom is a product of supplementation because sino pong mga nasa supplementation industry aside from Rayway? Before coming to Rayway, you were in the supplementation industry. You can name names, but we don't have to drop names, alright? I've been in the supplementation industry for 10 years. And I wasn't there because I wanted to get rich. Sino po nandito para yumaman? Being honest. Diba? But then, previously on that 10th year journey in the supplementation, I wasn't there to get rich. I was there kasi kung ano ang business small, yun ang libre mo, sabi ni Sir kanina, di ba? So that's why I was working on that supplementation for my mom to get the free supply of the product. And then she suffered stroke, and then she had the cancer, so I said, oh no, what's left for me? So my mom was asked to be amputated. As you can see, amputate naman talaga, aside from the fact that it's invasive melanoma, which is going for chemotherapy. So ang hingi sa amin ng doktor is 35,000 admission. Okay, do your math, ha? 95,000 amputation, and 600,000 chemotherapy. Now tell me, mahal ba ang Fortean?
No.
But I won't say mahal, I'll say priceless. Because it gave my mom back. Alright? So, this is the, kita nyo, 9mm, no? Na reading. A little lang, timeline lang tayo ng konti para ma-appreciate nyo yung journey namin. Okay lang ba?
Yes.
If you can, it's March 28. Hindi po namin yan nakuha until November 4, 2023. We were not able to get this result. I was introduced to the product December 2022. So we had no idea that what was on my mom is actually cancer. No idea. Well, November 4, 2023, when we received this report, tapos na po mag-therapy ang mother ko. So that was, sabi nila, amputation. Sabi ko, no. Walang i-amputate. Bakit nag-therapy na eh? So, the picture that you saw, yung may slice, yung mas malala, tapos na siya mag-therapy. So, you wonder, oh, ba't ganun yung itsura? Diba? Kasi nag-therapy naman na, I thought, okay. So, sabi ko, let's run a lab test. So, we ran a lab test, and the lab test came out, and it showed no sign of inflammation whichever in any part of her body. And then, the doctor was so surprised, how come the cancer is just concentrated dun sa toe? Wala, di ba? Sino pong may infection dito? And when you have infection, may kula-kulani pa kayo dito. Dito. She had nothing like that. So, because we were in questioning, oh, bakit? And then we had to run another lab test with the same result. Finally, sabi ko, ma, uwi ka ng Cebu. You go to your doctor in Chongwa Hospital. Anybody familiar in Cebu? Chongwa Hospital?
Yes.
Her doctor there for 20 years. Your doctor will decide if you will go through amputation. Kasi we're at loss eh. Walang inflammation, walang sign of cancer, contained. Puputulin mo pa yan. So the doctor there said, oh, Amy, for 20 years, ngayon lang ako natuwa ng result mo. Kasi 20 years mong patient yan. In fact, every time she goes to for annual check-up, the doctor would say, "Uy, Amy, buhay ka pa." Ang galing ng greeting na nakaka-encourage siya. Buhay ka pa. Sabi mo, kasi graduate na yung mga kaklase niya. Na may sabay, nagpapapedicure ka pa? Alam mo ano? Diba ang tapang magpipedicure? Eh, sabi niya, alam naman, tasting ko yung Ingrown Doc. So pagdating niya doon, ngayon lang ako natuwa sa result. So she shared, sabi niya, Doc, actually, nagpupurtir ako. Kasi we never told the doctors. We were taking, alam na natin. Okay, alam na natin. Okay, they will not, you are blessed to find a doctor who would agree with you.
Yes.
The natural and the way that nature would heal us. They would not. So sabi niya, ay, oo, alam ko yan, maganda yan. So I was so glad to hear that, no, from her own doctor. And so, on that third run, ganun pa rin. And so that's why, ito po, this is yung kanyang 1 week. Kasi po, just like you, mga first time po ba dito? Anybody first time? Just like you, I was in doubt. Sino bang hindi nag-doubt dito? Pakitaas ang kamay. Diba? When you were first presented, you didn't know, will it work? You know, money is money.
Yes.
But then when I was pushed to the wall, sabi ko, my mom could suffer another stroke and that's it. And we didn't even know that it was invasive melanoma. And that wall that I was pushed through is that wall of no decision. It's like, no choice. Sabi ko, try ko to, mamatay ang mother ko, at least trinay ko.
Yes.
Eh kung alam ko to, namatay yung nanay ko, parang maghahang pa yung utang sa akin. Kaya, di ba? Ang dami nating nakakausap. Alam nyo, kung nauna lang kayo 2 weeks ago, sarap anuhin eh, no? Di ba? Parang ba? So I didn't want to come to that point na, alam mo, what if kaya? So I tried one bottle, and if you see, she started March 23, 2023. Okay, March 23, sabi ko, mapaki-document, I need to know if the product works. So on the first day, ang BP normal kaagad. First day, 129/70. FBS is 223. And on the fourth day, actually, on the fourth day, umihi po siya ng malapot na ihi na kulay orange na may trace of blood. So when I asked the doctor, Doc, what does it mean? Sabi niya, that's a good sign. Your mother being 20 years diabetic can live long. Why? Because her kidney is cleansing, nagdi-detox. Mapupuhay ang diabetic basta ang kidney healthy. Diba? Kasi ang last battle is kidney.
Yes.
So, nag-cleanse ang kanyang kidney on the fourth day, and on the seventh day, 107/50. Akala mo bata no? Teenager ka ba? Diba? 107/50, and the sugar went to 92. That's on the seventh day. Sabi ko, sabi niya, because nangatog yung tuhod na, she had to take, alam niyo na, power dose, no? She had to take coffee with sugar and soft drinks. And after taking, the following day, FBS, 90. Sabi ko, hindi nagbibiro yung product. Tama, hindi po nagbibiro yung product. Okay? So, ito po, fickle-minded, in doubt. So, kung in doubt kayo, I agree with you, no? Pinatanggal ko po yung maintenance for 3 days. Sabi ko, tanggalin natin yung maintenance. Tingnan natin ano mangyayari. 285. No? So, we do not recommend. Okay? It's like building a house. Nagre-repair tayo And you're building a house without a scaffolding. Saan po kayo aabot? Wala po kayong maaayos. So, napagalitan po ako ng doktor, no? Hindi po kayo, wala kayong karapatan magtanggal ng maintenance. Opo, doktor. So, binalik po namin. And that's the history. So, yung kanyang, ito po yung paa niya, pabalik po ng konti na lang po. Ito po yun. February 2024. You know? Ito po yung pinaka-latest. Okay? Natanggal po. Imagine mo, sabi niya, birthmark for 20 years. May birthmark pa ba yan? Diba? The whole toe is black. And then the hanging thing, it dropped off. And now it already went to 4 peelings. Pang-apat na balat. This is the first peeling. Okay? So, my mom is 74 years old and asked me if Portier is expensive. It's priceless. So, thank you so much for allowing me to share my